This is a song about soft drinks and nothing else. Get your mind out of the gutter.
Hey guys, are your lips dry? Any desiccated ladies try to get by? Well, the best way for the girls and the boys to come together and enjoy a little moisture. So you're waiting on the mate that's 1 in a million. In combination ain't the way that you envision. You say you're strange, but baby, shed your inhibitions and let your day slip into something aluminium.
It's elegant and eloquent and so effervescent. Subtle bubbles in my stubble feeling ever so pleasant. Never thought I'd find a girl with such a delicate essence. Free you with the meal deal, the delicatessen. So you're sitting in the fridge with a twinkle. Are you a multi-pack can or are you single? A little sipping and a spritz isn't sinful. I'm just finna get my finger in your ring pull.
So slot your pennies in the vending machine of love and dig up this little mink that you've been dreaming of. If you curse with the thirst of a lonely man, you can get your juices flowing with some only cans. Every glamorous can has a heart to fill, so I hope that you can handle 330 mil. Get lost in the froth as the foam expands. Get your loving while you're glugging on some only cans.
Now you've seen other Payside galleries, but none of those girls taste like raspberries. So if you think we're just some obscene cannery, all our cans are over 18 calories. So give a spray for some flirtatious behavior. That come here, the hiss is what you came for. We've been brewing up a plethora of flavors. Say we're crude, you can never say we're tasteless. So if you drink it straight or with a mixer, bring a Mr. or a Mrs. home for dinner.
Everybody's got a different fizzle in that spritzer. What's the matter what ingredients are on your sticker?
I haven't met you all, but it's contextual. You're all impeccable, if it's consensual. If you're ace, then me pan flexible. End of the day, we are all sexual.
So slot your pennies in the vending machine of love and dig up this little mink that you've been dreaming of. If you curse with the thirst of a lonely man, you can get your juices flowing with some only cans. Every glamorous can has a heart to fill, so I hope that you can handle 330 mil. We can semi-guarantee that we won't be banned. Get your loving while you're glugging on some only cans.
Maybe fizzy, but I'll spit a little candor. Sure it's sticky, but we'll lick the spillage after. There's only one aperitif can for Landra. Snap it with the candy, with your candy camera.
Can, yes it can, all the can to can, all kind of can to Canada, manly can to Canberra, in canoes, grabbing noodles and canoodling with can to can food. Mexican can to Cancun, scandalously scantily clad in the scanties and decanting at you. Camping with the Scandinavian can, under a canopy alone in the canyon with your can boo. Share a cannoli with Italian cans on the canals before a candlelit dance. The canter off the Canterbury for a canny romance. You better cancel your plans. This Casanova can't handle the demand of Canterbury and Canoritas and Cantinas with fans on the Canary Islands. Strip canasta till you're down to your pants on your campani and bust over your hand. Damn, these Cantonese cheeses are your creamiest stands.
So go over to Cambodia.
You can let the local flavor flow over you.
Getting down with the hard brown chromium.
Love has never been so low sodium.
Can looking like a snack, that's a kind of babe. Campaigning like Barack, that's a candidate. Can sweet on your tongue, that's a candy cane. Can rockin' them guns, that's a cannonade. Feel that can in your heart, that's a cannula. Can send disregard, that's a canister. Inquisitive can, that's a canvasser. Insensitive cans can't tangle us. So slot your pennies in the vending machine of love and dig up this little mink that you've been dreaming of. If you curse with the thirst of a lonely man, you can get your juices flowing with some only cans. Every glamorous can has a heart to fill, so I hope that you can handle 330 mil. Hey, don't touch, just hold the can. Get your loving while you're glugging on some only cans.
So download Only Cans, the app for soda lovers. It's got very high ratings. No, sorry, it's very hydrating. My mistake.